All right, today on Chasing Cards, we got 3 packs of 91 Fleer Ultra Baseball. All right, we've had moderate success with these in past videos. Let's see how we do today. All right, got our sticker, Kansas City, David Wells, Mike Morgan, Roberto Alomar. All right, put him on the stand. Mel Hall, Gary Templeton, Tim Naring, Dave Justice, Mark Langston, Ben McDonald, Jody Reed, Rance Mulkins, Rafael Palmeiro, Tom Gordon, Gary Sheffield. Yeah, we'll go ahead and put Sheffield on the stand. All right, Houston Astros. Eddie Murray. Here you go, Swoop. Get the Swoop stand out for Eddie Murray. Chuck Finley, Rafael Ramirez, Jeff King, Tim McIntosh, Bill Doran, Brian McRae, Mike Vilecki, Lou Whitaker, Jeff Treadway, Ken Howell, Kent Herbeck. We've got a Will Clark first Fleer team. Neil Heaton. All right. Let's see what we got now. Chris James, Paul Molitor, Lance Parrish, Bo Jackson, Roger Clemens, Sahant Peck, Alan Trammell, Chris Hoyles, Pat Combs, Al Newman, Ramon Martinez, Bill Landrum, Danny Tartable, Todd Zeal, Mike McFarland. All right, not too bad with this pack here. All right, thank you guys so much for watching.